Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video, we're gonna be unboxing the Holman 3-tier tank holder kit. Let's get into it. All right, this is part number 40102. It is a 3-tier steel tank holder for holding your refrigerant tanks and all that in the back of your van or wherever you're hauling your equipment in. Maybe you have it in a utility trailer or something like that. This is Holman's gray product, and we're just gonna pull it out. There we go. Do have a piece of literature in here. That was just our warranty card right there. So Holman products, they come with a 3-year warranty. You do need to make sure that you're buying it from an authorized retailer like Upfit Supply to make sure you can take advantage of that warranty. So this is nice because it's all pretty much pre-assembled. Got a little illustration guide. One thing I love about Holman is they give you the parts list, right? What should be in the box right on top. They got a little quality control stamp. Make sure that someone looked over it before they shipped it out the door. I'm just gonna pull this out, so we're gonna take a look at this. I don't know if I'll be able to stand this up and be in camera view. I'll try it though. Nope, not quite. So included in the kit, obviously the 3-tier tank holder and bracketry for securing it to the van, as well as hardware for, again, securing it to the van. Everything's pre-assembled. You have these little straps here that are used for holding the tanks in. You can adjust them here. They got little adjustable straps on them. 3 levels here. One question we get all the time is just the dimensions on this, so I'm going to take a couple of dimensions for you here. Looks like our maximum width is going to be 13 3/8 of an inch. Our depth here is, depending on how you want to look at it. If I go out to this outer ring, it's 12 5/8 of an inch. Almost 3/4 of an inch. But again, your tank, that's not as important because your tanks are gonna be hanging off the edge here. When we look at our available height for each of these tiers, we've got like 13 1/4 inches on this bottom tier. 13, it's a little bit less, it's about 13 on the dot right there. And on the top here, we have 14 1/4 inch. So looks like you do have a little bit more room on this top tier for a refrigerant tank. The side here has a plate with holes on it that's going to make mounting to the van pretty easy. You got your little metal straps here. There's 2 angle brackets and 2 straight brackets. Depending on what you're mounting this to, if you're mounting it to a shelf or to the side of the van, you've got what you need to do that. And then on the bottom, we also have some mounting holes. You can see quite a few of them to give you a few different options. And then in our hardware kit, we do have plus nuts. So if you do need to put a plus nut in there, we also have some spacers. If you do need to put a spacer for whatever reason, maybe you're mounting on the floor and you've got a ridge under one foot and not the other, and you need to space that out, that's included as well. All the hardware, a bunch of washers, even some lock nuts as well. So everything that you need for a successful installation. We're gonna be putting this in the van behind me in a later video, so be sure to check out that installation video. Now, if you're looking for this tank holder or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.